Welcome to our deep dive into leveraging Claude AI for model drift analysis. Today, we'll explore how to effectively monitor and mitigate model drift, ensuring your AI models maintain their accuracy and reliability. Let's get started.
Did you know that even the most sophisticated AI models can lose accuracy over time due to model drift? Model drift occurs when the statistical properties of the target variable change, causing deviations in predictions. This is particularly challenging in dynamic environments where data evolves rapidly. In this video, we'll uncover how model drift impacts AI model accuracy and why it's crucial to monitor this phenomenon constantly. Meet Claude AI, your powerful ally in the fight against model drift, designed to ensure your models remain reliable and effective.
So, why should you consider using Claude AI for model drift analysis? Claude offers a suite of capabilities that make it indispensable for real-time monitoring of AI models. It provides comprehensive reports, enabling you to quickly identify deviations and take corrective actions. Claude's user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to AI can easily navigate through its features. Moreover, its robust integration capabilities mean it can seamlessly fit into your existing workflow, providing you with the tools needed to maintain model accuracy effectively.
Getting started with Claude AI for monitoring model performance is straightforward. Begin by following the initial setup steps, where you'll configure Claude to suit your specific needs. Customize the metrics you wish to track, ensuring that you focus on those most relevant to your model's performance. Explore the dashboard, which provides an overview of your model's health, and make sure to connect your data sources for real-time insights. Lastly, setting up alerts will enable you to receive notifications whenever a drift is detected, allowing you to respond swiftly. Once you've set up Claude AI, the next step is to interpret the drift metrics and reports it generates. Key metrics include data distribution, prediction accuracy, and feature importance changes. Learning to read these reports is crucial for understanding the anomalies that indicate model drift. Claude presents data visually, making it easier to spot trends and deviations. This visual representation aids in making informed decisions about necessary adjustments to your model, ensuring it continues to perform reliably.
Addressing identified drifts involves a strategic approach. Begin by identifying the root cause of the drift. Was it due to changes in data distribution or external factors affecting predictions? Once identified, consider retraining your models with updated data to improve accuracy. Adjusting feature weights can also help in aligning the model closer to current data trends. Implement feedback loops to continuously update the model with new insights. Finally, adopt a culture of continuous evaluation to preemptively catch possible drifts in the future. Automation is key in efficiently managing model drift. Claude AI allows you to set automated alerts for any significant drifts detected. Configure retraining schedules to automatically update your models with fresh data at regular intervals, reducing the need for manual oversight. Leveraging automation tools not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring your models remain efficient and up-to-date. By automating these processes, you free up resources to focus on more strategic tasks, enhancing overall model efficiency. Let's look at some case studies where organizations successfully managed model drift using Claude AI. In one instance, a retail company faced declining accuracy in its sales forecasting model. By using Claude, they identified seasonal changes as the root cause, retrained their models, and restored accuracy. Another company in healthcare improved patient risk predictions by continuously updating their models with new patient data, leading to better health outcomes. These examples highlight the importance of applying the right strategies and provide valuable lessons learned in overcoming model drift challenges.
To future-proof your models against drift, proactive monitoring is essential. Regular updates and retraining with the latest data help maintain model relevance. Consider implementing adaptive algorithms capable of learning from new data patterns, enhancing model flexibility. Scalability should also be a consideration, ensuring your model can handle increasing data volumes without sacrificing performance. Lastly, develop long-term strategies focusing on continuous improvement and innovation, keeping your models resilient against the ever-evolving data landscape.
As we wrap up, let's recap the key learnings from today's session. Understanding and addressing model drift is crucial for maintaining AI model accuracy and reliability. Claude AI offers a comprehensive solution for drift analysis, providing real-time monitoring, automated alerts, and seamless integration. We encourage you to start using Claude AI for your model drift management needs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let us know your thoughts or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and stay ahead with Claude.